Sound on, yes, the sound's on. Good morning, good evening, or good night, whatever it is, wherever you're watching. We're here. Perth Motorplex for race day, finals of the Western Nationals. Now, I'm not sure how I'm going to put together all the footage I have across the weekend, but if this is episode 2, go back, watch the first, and come back and watch this episode. So this episode is, what is your dream drag car and event to race at? So, what's your dream drag car and event to race at? Comment below. Let's get to the action. Question I've been asking the competitors. Yep. If you had unlimited funds, mate, what drag car would you purchase and what event would you want to run in?
Oh, see, I'd probably have to buy a couple because well, I mean, everybody loves door slammers. Anybody who drives a doored car loves a doored car. Yep. But I've got a soft spot for altereds, but a pro stock car is something that I'd love to run. Yeah, that's a real driver's class. So yeah, I'd probably, definitely have a door slammer for sure. Yep. But yeah, I'd love a little pro stock in the corner to race that as well.
Yeah, what event, mate? Around the world?
Around the world, just been watching some really good pro mod stuff over in the US. So yeah, door slammer, the pro mod stuff in the US.
Is that at Brendanton where Cletus is bought? Yeah.
So John Rick is Australian. He's over there. Yep. He did really well. I think he made the 3rd round and met one of the top qualifiers, and he got out. But that's a awesome accomplishment for him to be able to go from Australia all the way over there and do that. So following his footsteps would be awesome if I had some good cash. Any sponsors out there?
If you had unlimited funds, what would be your dream bike and event to run in, mate?
Musket's bike and Winter Nationals. Winter Nationals are an event in America. Yep. But definitely, if I had a dream bike, I'd go contact Larry Spiderman and get one of his bikes. One of them supercharged bikes, man. That's, you know, 5-second bike is what you want to do. That's the dream, obviously, one day to be doing 5s on the quarter mile on a bike. In a car would be cool, but I don't think it would compare to being on a bike. Even just this thing alone, like, it's only a little, only does 8s, but it's indescribable feeling. You just almost feel like you're gliding mixed with a whole bunch of other things. It's awesome.
Hey humans, we got the spectators here. We loving the action.
Yeah, loving it.
Always.
Favourite class?
Top door slammers.
Door slammer? For you? Door slammer?
Door slammer.
Door slammer?
These ones.
These ones?
Yeah.
Oh, top sportsman?
Yeah, sportsmen's for sure.
Yep, and a question I've been asking the competitors today, what is your dream drag car and event to run out? We'll start with you.
I've got no idea.
No idea?
What do you reckon?
Silly cars.
Funny cars.
Funny cars.
Funny cars?
Yeah.
Yep.
Top door slammers every day, man.
Yep.
All day long.
Yep, what door slammer, mate? Zap.
Yeah, that'll do.
Yeah, yourself?
Yeah, probably these and VL Calais. That's my dream car.
Nice. Actually, what's your dream car, mate? Overall, what would you, if you had unlimited funds, what would be your
fuck.
dream car to buy?
That's a Marloo all day, every day.
Yeah, nice.
All day, every day.
Yourself, mate?
Yeah, the funny cars.
Yep. So
Yeah.
nitro funny car?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, they're the best.
Nice. All right. Thanks for that, and hope you enjoy the rest of the day.
Thanks,
Cheers,
mate.
Cheers. Loose at the end there. 586 and a 579. What a drag race. Steve's run a 586. And if you had unlimited funds, mate, what drag car would you purchase and what event would you run in? Unlimited funds, anything.
Unlimited funds,
Yeah.
I'd probably still run an altered, but
Really?
just a slightly bigger engine.
Yep.
Yeah.
$192, 374. If you had unlimited funds, what would be your dream bike and event to run in?
I'd stay with where I am.
Yep.
Like I said last year, I was in mud bike.
So you live in the dream, Loretta.
Well, it wasn't a dream. It was something I wouldn't even think about doing, to tell you the truth. But yeah, it's just buzz now. I get a bit down if Jason's not racing because yeah, we go up against each other in the eliminations and qualifying, and we are not easy on each other, that's for sure. So with mud bike, you've got your 3 qualifiers and then you go to eliminations. If you break out, put the bike on the trailer, and that happened a lot last year.
Yep.
So being in comp bike, I get to run all night. I lose all night, but I still get to run all night. So just go out there and have fun, and I've always said to the guys, if I'm not having fun, I don't want to do it.
Yep.
So that's all it is, just a bit of fun and being a rev head, and like both my parents race speedway,
Yep.
so I was brought up with it, and now I'm doing something crazy.
And look who it is, humans, one of me faves down here at the Plex. Mr. Michael Buckley in the wildest rotary in the West. On the planet, let's go to the planet. Shits to everyone in the comments. Oh, we've shut down here.
And he worries about it. He's like, oh, you know.
Got too excited, didn't see what was happening.
You know,
Pass. 696, 318. 6-second rotary there, humans. to an 680 to a 302. Me personally, just like Roger Morehouse in his HR, my first car was a HQ Prem. So, it would have to be a HQ Premier. What class? I don't know, I'll start out soft.
Just to pull a 003 out of my you know where, so that was a bonus.
Yep. Up against Michelle Morrison.
Oh.
So yeah, should be good.
Yeah.